Hey guys, today we're going to create the wiggle text effect I used in my last video. It's a super quick and easy effect and it looks amazing in your videos. So let's jump straight into it. So on a brand new project, create a new composition. I'm going to call mine wiggle text. Let's hit OK, and then down the bottom here, create a new black solid. So you can change it. If it's not black by default, you can change it here. Let's hit OK. And then under effects and presets, let's add some fractal noise to our black solid. Okay, under evolution options, click this arrow and alt click the random seed, and it'll open up a little box in your little timeline down here. So got highlighted text, it just delete that and write time times 10. Make sure time hasn't got a capital T, because if you put a capital T, it's just gonna not pick it up. So okay, now you got that, just click off, and if we just hide that and hit play, as you can see, that's sort of really jumpy all over the place. Now that's exactly what we want. Okay, next let's pause that and hit Control T to get our text tool, or you can find out the top up here. Just type out your text and align that horizontally and vertically, and drag that below the black solid. Okay, what we're going to do next is pre-compose it, but the reason we've added the text, even though we can't see it, is because we pre-compose it without the text, and then the black solid, the pre-composition doesn't take the fractal noise, and you just end up with the black solid on its own. So let's copy our text and then highlight both of them and right click and pre-compose. Let's just name this noise, so we sort of easier to find if you've got a bigger project, but this is just on its own. Okay, as you can see, look, we got our fractal noise here. Okay, let's paste in our text and hide the noise, and go back to effects and presets and search displacement map. So you don't have to search the whole word, it just shows up pretty quickly, and then just drag that onto our text. Under displacement map layer, let's select the noise layer. So if we hit play now, as you can see, the text does wiggle a little bit. If we want to up that a little bit, let's up that to 10, and let's say that one to, let's say, 15. And now, as you can see, it's got a nice, more obvious wiggle, and it sort of just stands out a lot more than it would if it was the original. So yeah, just adjust. You can adjust the max and vertical as much as you like. So let's adjust that up to 14 and adjust that one down a little bit, and you get a bit more distorted text now. Like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see any specific tutorials in the future, then comment down below and I'll see what I can do to help you out. So yeah, see you guys next time.